Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
Hey there, fellow riders and enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bikers Club. Today we're diving into the future with an exclusive first look at a bike that's turning heads in the motorcycle world. The 2024 Yamaha MT-09 SP. It's not just a machine, it's a statement. So, rev up those engines, and let's explore the exhilarating features of the MT-09 SP together. The MT-09 received many updates from Yamaha this year. The 2024 Yamaha MT-09 SP, the standard model's uprated sibling. The SP's specific new features for 2024 are a two-mode electronically controlled engine braking system, a larger 5-inch thin film transistor dash, and a smart key system. As a reminder, the enhanced suspension is the primary upgrade that makes the SP an SP. The SP gets a fully adjustable Öhlins shock, and the SP's Kayaba fork tubes get a DLC coating. Additionally, the SP stands out from the standard version with Brembo Stylema front brake calipers, 4 customizable ride modes for the track, including front-wheel-only ABS, a track-themed dash display option, polishing and clear coating of the aluminum swing arm, and a finish and colors inspired by the YZF-R1M Superbike. The price of the MT-09 SP goes up $800 to $299 for 2024. That's a $1,700 premium over the standard MT-09. The 2024 Yamaha MT-09 SP comes in one color scheme, Liquid Metal Raven, and hits showroom floors in late spring 2024, so you have plenty of time to prepare for its arrival. There you have it, riders. The 2024 Yamaha MT-09 SP is a true embodiment of power, style, and innovation. We've taken a deep dive into its features, and it's clear that Yamaha has once again raised the bar. What are your thoughts on this stunning machine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content on Bikers Club. Until next time, keep the rubber side down, and may your rides be filled with adventure and excitement. Ride safe, everyone.